We're going to go on a walking tour of the house after the storm. Go check out the forts the kids are making. It's the front yard. Pretty packed walkway here. I don't know if the camera's going to catch how big the drifts are. Probably about 5-foot drift there. Like a 3-foot to 4-foot drift. Here's the car. Surprisingly didn't get a lot of snow on it because the wind blew it all off during the night. Hi, Ray.
Hi. Look at me. Look at.
Whoa. There's probably about a base of 2 feet here. We get close to 24 inches of snow.
Now watch
Once
me
it was
and
all
Josh
said and done.
wrestle.
Going over to the garage. Some serious drifts in front of the garage. Neighbor's house.
Don't do it.
Hi, boys.
Look at, watch me and Josh wrestle. Ding ding.
How does Ray always end up on top in that game?
Because I'm stronger. Ding ding.
This can't end pretty. This is not going to end pretty.
I told you I'm always on top.
Here's some forts the boys made.